Well, who wants to hear a joke? I do! What happens when you cross the road with a bluebird and a blackbird? I have no idea. A black and blue mark. Ah, that's so funny! No, it's not.
No, it's not funny. I know you're right.
Wait. Who's that?
I'm the orange bird. I like candy.
Guys, come over here and check out who this dude is. He's an orange bird. Probably like the most coolest bird ever. It can get fat.
I can get fat.
Then show us, man.
Okay. Ugh.
He's right. He can get fat.
Yeah, he can get fat.
Okay, shut up. Hi. How are you bigger than me? I'm a big red bird. I'm supposed to be bigger than anybody. Yo, what's up, orange bird? Well,
I join the flock.
Let me think about it. How about you can kill a pig, right?
Well, yeah, of course I can.
Can you go kill one for me? Yep. I can go do that.
Let me change back to normal.
Okay. You go kill the pig for me. I think I might know where they are. You know. Ha ha ha. Explosions! Level completed. Nice. You can join the flock, man. That was awesome.
Okay, I can actually join the flock?
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah. Right, that was awesome, man. Okay. Bye, everybody.